Cancer, a lethal condition where our body self-destructs from within. A case where our body revolts and erodes away. Questions such as when, why, where have an adequate amount of uncertainty to them. Now recall, we have pioneered and overcome many pathogen-related diseases, literally with effectiveness and preciseness. However, cancer till today remains an enigma at large. The graph behind me shows that in 2010, there were 1.5 million cancer cases. In 2020, it's projected to be 1.9 million cases. Moreover, the cost of care and treatment for cancer was at $157 billion in 2010, and in 2020, it's projected to be $174 billion. That's a difference of $17 billion. If you did not know, that's equivalent to Iceland's GDP. So, is there a surefire method to detect cancer? Can I detect cancer at its very early stages? My answer to those questions is with carbohydrates and sugars. Now, everyone must be thinking what carbs and sugars have to do with treating cancer. And I was in the same boat. But turns out that with progression of cancer, your cells start to express these distinct set of sugars. Targeting those sugars is the fundamental basis of my research. Interestingly, a novel small lectin, which is a protein, can be isolated from the skin of this frog, and it's actually known to bind to these sugars. So part of my research revolves around synthesizing these very same lectins in my lab synthetically based on their amino acid sequences. So my research vision has two goals. One, make a library of these lectins so I can find that enhanced ideal recognition system for these cancer sugar sets. Two, use these lectins as a vehicle for targeted drug delivery. How does the latter work? Did you know that your nose actually has these sugars that can bind to my lectin? So if I had to deliver the drug into the brain of my cancer patient, I can attach the drug to my lectin and do that through the nasal passage. This actually opens a whole new dimension of targeted drug delivery into the brain, an idea, a notion that has been challenging until today. So in conclusion, I believe that my research can be the stepping stone towards early detection and prevention in cancer. And I'd like to add, my friend Bob the Frog wasn't harmed from my research at any point or this presentation. Thank you.